Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing accounts and permissions. Sign into your Google account in Settings, then open Google Photos. Make sure you grant storage and photo access so apps can share files. Next, in Samsung Gallery, choose a small album to test instead of everything at once, because you want to verify settings quickly. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and plug-in power if you prefer automatic backups overnight. This avoids cellular usage and prevents interruptions while we proceed to configure backup and sync options. Now configure the actual backup. Open Google Photos, go to Backup and Sync and toggle it on, choose original or high quality depending on storage, and explain trade-offs for quota. Then return to Samsung Gallery. Pick an album, use Share or Send to select Google Photos as the destination, or enable any built-in auto-sync integration Samsung offers. Make sure album names and folders match so Google Photos indexes correctly. Once set, start a manual upload for that test album to confirm transfer behavior. Finish by validating that your photos appear in Google Photos with correct timestamps and metadata. This ensures search and albums work later. If some images didn't transfer, clear cache in both apps, sign out and sign back into Google, then retry the upload. This fixes common permission or token issues. If specific files still fail, export them from Samsung Gallery to device storage, then import into Google Photos manually. Or use Samsung's Smart Switch for a full device migration. One tip, check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.